Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a video really quick. This is a small bag, so I won't take up too much of your time, but I wanted to share what the Easter Bunny brought me. So, the Easter Bunny brought me an American Leather Company crossbody, small crossbody, and it's RFID. Oh my gosh. If you guys haven't heard of the American Leather Company, I will just kind of give you a little information behind the company. They are an American company, obviously, and they source all of their leather from around the United States. So it's all from the United States. Their tannery is up in upstate New York. So they are an all-American company, which I am so excited to know that and find that out, because I really love, made in America products. So this is a stunning leather. I mean, it's super buttery soft. Like you can see when I touch it, like it just puckers a little bit. Do you see that? It's a soft matte leather. It has a white, hand-stitched stitching. You have like an antique brass. You have a little rivet here and a rivet here. It is beautiful. It is a full-on crossbody. It has a stitched on crossbody strap. It's very, again, like I said, it is very, very soft. You have, most crossbodies, you have 5 of these little adjustable holes. On this one, you get a full 7. So whether you are tall or short, you get the full 7 adjustability on this bag. And like I said, the leather is soft. It's really pretty when you put it on. I wore it today, and I actually got some compliments. Please excuse the busted up nails and cuticles. So this is a very beautiful, it has the matching edge coat on the leather. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. Actually, you know what, hang on one second. Let me get, I forgot that I have the tag right here. American Leather Company RFID blocking. Perfectly imperfect, which is exactly what we are, right? We're all perfectly imperfect. So the differences in color, shading, marks, and grain are natural characteristics of this American leather, enabling each piece to truly be one of a kind. So this is a little bit, you can go onto their website, but this retails for $115. This is the Cafe Latte Smooth color in the Kansas crossbody with RFID. So there's that information. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna turn this around. I'm gonna turn it to the side actually, because I wanna show you guys. She be small, but she is mighty, I tell ya. She has this really nice gusset here, and I love how it's at the bottom, it's bigger than at the top, because the way that it lays is so nice. Again, you have your grain. I mean, look at that. It is buttery smooth, and it's just going to get better with time. I have become quite a snob when it comes to leather. So you have your zipper, and it goes all the way down on both sides. I love having a double zipper, because at the doctor's office today, I had to bring my son for another ortho visit. I just quickly grab right out of the top. I don't even have to open the whole thing. So this opens all the way down on both sides, and it opens really wide. So, this top, let me flip that around for you. So there are 1, 2, 3 pockets and an ID slot. And how I have it packed up, I have my ID, I have my 2 most used cards up here, and I don't even know, a gift card. And then in this one slip, an emergency fits in here. So I keep it in there, because you never know if you're out and about and someone around you is sneezing and coughing. And yes, I know it's allergy season, but gross. So I have a pen in here so I can use my own pen, and I have my hand sanitizer right here. This is a pocket which my iPhone 11, I'm filming on it right now, no, iPhone 12 Pro fits in, no problem. But I like it for my sunglasses better because they don't take as much room up as, you know, in the interior of the bag. And then I just have my keys here, and then you have a leather trimmed, right here, leather trimmed, super soft leather. And in here, I just have a receipt from earlier, and I have some cash. So that all fits perfect. I mean, who knew that all that was in there? It fits perfectly in this bag, or in this pocket, and the zippers are great. It's not easy with one hand. Well, yeah, it kind of is. The zipper pulls are leather. They're hand stitched and they're edge coated, and like I said, they're like butter. This leather, oh, I'm going to be a fan of this brand for a very long time, I have a feeling. So I love this because we have a hidden magnet here, and it is, I mean, it's a strong magnet. So here's the other half of the magnet sewn up here, trimmed out in the leather so it won't. I love that they did that attention to detail, because after a while of using a magnet over and over, it can tend to work its way through the fabric. I've had that happen before. So it's trimmed out in this really nice, like taupey khaki color. And in here, I just have a mask on the top. And this is what this is what it looks like. And like I said, it's great having this gusset at the bottom because you can stick more in there. So down here on the right, I have my welly tin. And in the welly tin, I have Band-Aids, some Neosporin, some migraine medication, and in this little clear thing right here, I have some children's Motrin, because this is my kid tin. And then I have some tissues. We've been blowing through those, literally, haha, no pun intended. I have my wipes, my antibacterial wipes, which I'm going to have to put a new pack in here. I have my hair tie and my perfume I've been loving for the past couple months. And then I have a lotion, and I have a chapstick in here. And this is the bottom. I mean, this is the bottom of the bag. It goes down. I mean, it's a, let me see if I can show you. I have my fingers pointing down, and it's probably to the top of my wrist. And then you have your American Leather Company tag. It's leather, obviously, super soft, stitched. And then you have this zipper in the back that is so smooth. And I just have some feminine products in there because you never know when you're gonna need them, or if somebody else around you needs them. Now, I will say, oh, and this whole back pocket right here is RFID. So I wanted to point that out. I will say that if you are not a fan of like these little scratches and nicks in the leather, this may not be the bag for you. I mean, guys, look at this puckering. Oh, it's so soft. It's not going to be the bag for you. I love the vintage feel that I get from this bag, and I love the way that this leather feels. It's just so creamy, so classic, and I love the character that this, you know, the little bits and pieces of imperfection give to the bag. I am a fan of that. There are some fabrics, I mean, some leathers that I'm not a fan of, but that, you know, if you have a shinier leather, I'm not going to want, you know, nicks and scratches in my shinier leather. But this is a matte leather. There's not a whole lot of sheen. Let's see, I'm in front of a window with natural lighting here. It's not a whole lot of sheen to it. So I mean, this bag is just going to patina and wear so gorgeously. I'm so excited to see. But this is what the Easter Bunny brought me. It's the American Leather Company Kansas Crossbody with RFID. So go ahead and check that out at AmericanLeatherCo.com. This is the Cafe Latte Smooth, and I really highly recommend the American Leather Co. You may be able to find it, you know, secondhand or buy on the buy trade sell sites. I'm not sure, but let me know down in the comments if you've had this American Leather Company, if you've had any products and how you're liking them and how they wear. I'm eager to know. So thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of content, please give me a super big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.